Nicole. How you doing?
Hey, dudes, I really wasn't expecting you today.
What's that you got over your shoulders?
Oh, that's my trash. I'm a little embarrassed about it.
Is that what that smell is?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Well, here, why don't you let me take it for you?
No, it's my trash. I created it. I need to carry it.
Well, I mean, I can take it for you. I mean, it's my job.
So, it's my trash.
But it's my job. I take everybody's trash. Just
Sure?
give it, yeah, I'm sure. Just give it to me. Just give me the trash, Nicole. Thank you.
Oh, I never felt like that before.
It's the feeling you get when you don't have to carry trash around all the time.
Yeah, right. Let me just get it.
Wait a minute. If you're going to give me your trash, you need to give me all of your trash, not just some of it.
I need to remind me not to make any more trash.
No, you should put it back. I'll be your reminder not to make any more trash.
But it's trash.
Nicole, put the trash back.
It's my trash.
Nicole, put the trash back in the bag. Do you see what this is doing to you, Nicole? You have to give it up.
Jesus, I'm sorry. Just forgive me.
I have forgiven you. The question is, can you forgive yourself?
Yeah, I did. Yeah.